Assalamualaikum. Hi, I'm Nurkhail Malik,
I'm Haikal Malik.
and today we're going to be discussing about Korban 2026. Recently in January, our family had the blessings of performing ibadah umrah together. How was it, Haikal?
Alhamdulillah, that's the reason why kita nak teruskan dengan rasa barakah ini dan kesyukuran ini. With that, kita akan berkorban dengan signatures of Imran.
As we approach this blessed month, we are reminded the true meaning of Korban, giving with ikhlas, amanah, and the right intention.
Tahukah anda, korban itu adalah ibadah dan juga amanah.
Today, memang banyak korban services are available, but who, where, and how should you be able to choose your korban services? Well, there's only three things. You should be doing it with trust, reliability, and ketenangan hati. At Signatures of Imran, they believe that korban should be affordable and
Trustworthy.
with just $100, you too can korban.
Wait! Don't forget to use our promo code
Malik 10.
to get your $10 off. With that,
Assalamualaikum.